Nestled at the vibrant core of England, pulsating with life, is London, a city where centuries of history intertwine seamlessly with contemporary culture, crafting an unparalleled array of experiences. From renowned landmarks to elusive treasures, this bustling metropolis offers something to captivate every soul. Whether you're a newcomer to its streets or a seasoned denizen, here are the top 10 experiences that demand your attention when exploring this captivating city. The Tower of London has stood for nearly 1,000 years, witnessing countless events that shaped British history. From being a royal palace to a notorious prison, its walls hold tales of intrigue, power struggles, and royal dramas. Situated on the banks of the River Thames, the tower offers stunning views of London's skyline and the river itself. The surrounding area is rich in history and attractions, making it a worthwhile destination to visit. The tower itself is an architectural marvel. Its iconic turrets and imposing walls provide a glimpse into medieval fortress design. Exploring its nooks and crannies gives insight into the daily lives of those who lived and worked within its walls. Treat yourself to a night of drama, comedy, or musical theater in London's famed West End, renowned for its top-notch productions, featuring talented actors, singers, and dancers. Whether it's a classic play, a beloved musical, or an innovative new show, the performances are often unforgettable. The West End is a cultural hub, showcasing a diverse range of stories and artistic styles. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the arts and gain a deeper understanding of different cultures and perspectives. Visiting Camden Market is like stepping into a vibrant kaleidoscope of culture, creativity, and commerce. It is home to over 1,000 shops and stalls, offering everything from vintage clothing and unique accessories to handmade crafts and alternative fashion. Whether you're into fashion, art, music, or just browsing, there's something for everyone. The market boasts an eclectic mix of street food stalls, gourmet eateries, and international cuisine. You'll find an array of delicious treats to satisfy any craving. Delve into the contemporary art scene at the Tate Modern, housed in a former power station on the banks of the Thames. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply looking for inspiration, the Tate Modern offers a space for reflection and introspection. You'll encounter perspectives and narratives that challenge your perceptions and expand your understanding of the world. The Tate Modern is more than just a museum. It's a vibrant hub for artists, scholars, and visitors from all walks of life. Westminster Abbey is not just a religious site. It's a living monument to British history, culture, and tradition. The Abbey has witnessed over 1,000 years of British history, including coronations, weddings, and funerals of monarchs. It's a living testament to the nation's past, with every corner holding stories of kings, queens, statesmen, poets, and scientists. Many British monarchs are buried within its walls. Westminster Abbey is a literary treasure trove, with the Poets' Corner honoring some of Britain's greatest literary figures. It's a place where you can pay homage to the writers who have shaped the English language and literature. The Abbey's architecture is stunning, blending various styles from different periods, making every part of the building a masterpiece worth exploring. Treat yourself to the quintessential British experience of afternoon tea. Enjoying afternoon tea in London often means being surrounded by stunning architecture, whether it's in a historic hotel, a charming tea room, or a prestigious restaurant. The ambience adds to the overall experience, making it memorable. It's not just about the food, It's also a social occasion meant to be enjoyed with friends, family, or colleagues. It provides an opportunity to relax, engage in leisurely conversation, and savor each delectable bite in good company. There's something inherently luxurious about afternoon tea. From the fine china and silverware to the impeccable service, every detail is carefully curated to provide guests with a sense of indulgence and sophistication. Venture east to Greenwich and enjoy panoramic views of London from Greenwich Park. Visiting the Royal Observatory Greenwich allows you to stand on the prime meridian line, marking the divide between the eastern and western hemispheres of the Earth. Apart from being the home of GMT, the Royal Observatory offers stunning views of London and the Thames River. It also houses a museum that delves into the history of timekeeping and astronomy. This large, picturesque park offers beautiful landscapes and is a great spot for a leisurely stroll. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find tranquility in Hyde Park. The park boasts stunning landscapes, including the Serpentine Lake, lush greenery, and beautiful gardens. It is home to several notable attractions, including the Diana, Princess of Wales Memorial Fountain, the Serpentine Galleries, and the famous Speaker's Corner. Hyde Park offers numerous opportunities for outdoor activities such as boating on the Serpentine, cycling, jogging, or simply strolling along its picturesque paths. Visiting Hyde Park provides insight into British culture and lifestyle. You can observe locals enjoying picnics, playing sports, or simply relaxing in this quintessentially British setting. Situated in the heart of London, Hyde Park is easily accessible and conveniently located near other popular attractions, such as Buckingham Palace, Kensington Gardens, and Oxford Street.